In this video, I'll show you how to enable data saver in Redmi 13C. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now what you need to do, open the security. So this is an icon in the Redmi device brand, so I'm going to open it up. So you're going to be able to see this option, right? So you're going to be able to see data usage, so click on it. So you can see right now for this month I've used 25.60 gig, and for just today I've used 3.29 gigs. So what you need to do, if you love to enable your data, like if you love to enable data saver in your Redmi device, what you need to do, click on this data usage stats. So you need to come on here and select any app. So find the app that takes much of your data. So what you need to do, just turn off the background data. So let me say for this Telegram, I'm going to just click on it. You're going to be able to see background data. So you can come on, you can turn it off. So once you turn it off, you can see restricting background network access for this app might make it possible for the app to receive messages, download all this. So what you need to do, just restrict any of the app that consume much of your data. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next video.